Man, it's so dark. I can't even, my camera, I can't even see anything. Yeah. So this morning, it's been a while since, yeah. Well, it's been a while. It's been a long time since my brother and I came out and fished together. So today, he's taking me to his secret spot, his honey hole. It's only 6 o'clock. So here we are. Oh, okay.
Well, we probably gotta go down the stream, see the right.
Down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still a long way.
Still a long way.
Yeah. I tell you.
Man, I carry all this junk in my hand.
I told you that you like.
All right, I'm gonna turn off the camera because it's so dark. I didn't know we had to walk this far, but
that's like fishing.
man, look at all this track that people made.
Yes, sir.
I haven't been, yeah, I know. I haven't been here for like 30 years. I only came here one time. I think it was with Natu, if I remember correctly. And that was it. And then I always took me here on a boat. Another spot right here. So we just work our way up back to the car. Okay. Man, we've been hiking for like 10 minutes now. Whew. Got to go through all this. Wow. So yeah, so my brother is taking me here today to try out my luck with white bass fishing. It's been a long while since we fished together. It's been a long while since we hang out. Oh, what is that? All these thorns, they're just pulling me back. Wow.
Come down here and just fish.
That's pretty steep.
Yep. You still see the water come out earlier. Need help? Need help?
Yeah, grab my bag if you don't mind. I got so much junk in my hand. I didn't know we were gonna hike this far. So I got, oh yo, it's okay, it's just my bag, my just the beef jerky. All right.
Yeah, for the stick there, so you.
Oh, I got it. I just don't want to fall forward and right into the lake or river. So this is the main spot.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Yeah. That's just yeah, it's dirty, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh, let's get ourselves set up here. Woo. Oh, dang. All right, A got his first. You need my net?
No, it's too small. Look at that.
All right, nice.
Baby.
There you go. Oh, nice. Good job. All right, let me go get it. Let me go get my cable. I'm not even ready yet. He already caught his first fish. Man, this.
The sturgeon. Got it. All right, let's go talk.
All right, throw it back in there. And I'm trying to tie this. It should be good. All right, my turn. I hope I'm using the right lure though.
I thought you could go fall.
Yeah. 6?
6?
Yeah.
8 pounds or 6 pounds.
All right, let me see. I'm just trying to get used to. I don't want to go through all the woods.
That's professional casting.
Nothing for me. Sånt där ser. Oh, small. I'll show it to you. Oh, I don't know. I had those long time ago. I don't remember the size. Shut up. Look.
That's a little small. You can try some of this 1/8.
Oh.
You can do any one you want.
Okay, so mine's too small. Okay. All right, let's try it again. Same spot. Oh. Ooh, there you go.
Yeah, in the water they don't bite.
But doesn't it? It's jumping everywhere.
I know, they don't want to bite that fire.
Yeah, I used the GoPro. It's just not enough room to cast anything. It's so tight here.
Yeah, small face.
Oh, yo. What happened? What in the world? I don't know how this even... Oh, I forgot to take this thing off, dude. That's why. Look, the sinker, that's the plastic, the sinker holder. Yeah, because I totally forgot about it. All right, I gotta fix it. Yeah, I finally got one.
Baby fish.
I finally got one. There you go. Heck yeah. Oh.
Inside.
There you go. I finally got my first one. There you go. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. That's it right there. Oh yeah, he's not going anywhere. He's right at the hard lips. All right, I'm a little excited now. Got my first one, so I'm a little excited now.
That's not good.
Gotta get some more.
Last time, by the time of this, I already got a 3-4. Now the fish don't come on the wall. I know you don't know how to fish by now.
Oh, this is on eggs.
Yeah, they release the eggs. How much you want to bait to green to the lake?
All right. There you go. All right, finally got one. I'm a little excited now. Hopeful. They're there. They're just not biting. Yeah.
They don't bite. They're in there. But you know how it's
Yeah.
They know we come and get it. It's scared.
Yeah. I was trying to get used to the feel of them biting.
Oh.
That's why.
The only thing you feel is hybrid. It's quite good, but the rest like that is like little baby.
Just like trout, huh? Yeah. Fish. It's all legal to keep this. All right, he's down to his second.
You racing, huh?
Yeah, racing you, man. Competition.
I'm trying to make it caught out. Okay, fish. Why are you? The fish is a fish, right?
Fish is fish. Got another one.
Yeah. So small, baby fish.
Ooh, almost spit.
You got it?
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, I almost got it, but there you go. He got his third. We're gonna be going home in an hour. Again? Nay. Hybrid?
Yeah, I think hybrid.
Oh yeah. It looks like it's hybrid. I don't think it's a cart. It looks like a hybrid. Oh, it went that way already? Just let it go. Play with it for a little bit.
Oh, it's gone, dude.
It's gone?
Gone.
Oh, it's a gar. Oh, that is a good meat too, man. Don't lose it.
Don't lose it, man. Take it
I'm taking it home.
Shit, we don't like go, man. Go and fish.
Don't. Oh, yo, it's gone. The teeth are so sharp. So that's a big old gar. Nice catch though.
You catching it?
Nope. I only caught one, man.
Lost it.
You lost it? Yeah. It's your luck. Where's is my luck? I only caught one. Oh. Well. Still trying to get used to it. If I use my 2-pound line, I would have gone all the way to the other side. Yeah, but I didn't use.
Oh, yeah. If you use it, then right back, that's not strong. Unless you got hybrid.
Yeah. Maybe I should switch it after this. But it's me though, it's not the fish, because fish is biting right there only.
Fish in the water, they don't bite.
It's me, it's not the fish. California trong Oreo Peru này cái gì cả. Bị cá hồi miền. Let me try new lures and see if it. Yeah. Oh, got it. Oh, lost it.
Huh?
I lost it.
Hey, this thing here, how you lost it?
No, this is a single.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, what's your second one?
I missed 2. Yeah. Oh, it bite right there only.
Yeah, it's right there.
Nice.
I don't know if it's a fish or not. The baby fish. We keep it?
Well, of course we're keeping it. Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, right. That's like 200 pounds.
It's a nice one. You just go over my rod. Yeah, no, I keep biting when I'm eating. I need to stop eating and start fishing. All right, let me put my burger away.
They just making you life so you can go down already.
Yeah. Maybe it's me. Ooh. Yeah. I missed it. I think I ripped its mouth off. Yeah, I missed it. Yeah. What the heck? I forgot the 2 trees, dude. No, 1 more tree to go. There you go. Goodness. Wow. That's crazy. Another one?
Oh, come on. Oh, that's a light, man.
Oh, I got somebody else's lines, that's why. Dude. Well, we didn't get our limit today, but it was a good morning. We had a lot of fun. I caught one, so didn't skunt. Didn't catch as much as I hope I would, but it's my first time here, so pretty excited. My brother caught the most. We are actually at a new location right now, up the stream. So we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit before we head back home. But so far so good. It's a great day hanging out with my brother, so that's all that matters to me anyway. All right, what are we looking at? You got one? Oh. It looks hard to cast, man. It looks very hard to cast. Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna cast here, but we shall see. Man, I have no idea where I'm going. So tight here. This is way out of my comfort zone. I'm a guy that fish at the lake, not like this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This right here has got to be so crazy. Look at that. Who in their right mind would go? I don't know. I'm gonna go. I say that, but I'm gonna go. This is crazy. This is crazy. Goodness. Oh wow. So you just have to go down. Keep going down. Wow. Yeah. I'm not sure about this, but okay, let's try this. Huh. I don't even know where I'm going to throw my line at. Wow. I thought I got one. Hit the snag. Not what I expected. Yeah, I finally got one. Hey, when you hold on to Chung Ha, I didn't do anything. Yeah. Yeah, I finally got one. My second one of the day. I know, right? Oh! Shoot! Oh, dang, I didn't land it. Dang! Not video worthy. Die. Oh, there you go. I lost. I got it back. Huh. No, I want to stay and redeem. I was going to say let's go home, but now I'm going to let it go and do the same thing again. Well, this is much better than earlier. Wide open. All right, first cast at this area. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, baby. Another one. Ooh. I didn't expect this one. I just changed the grub and then it took it right away. My first cast. Didn't even get a chance to turn on my camera. It looks like somebody lost a line there. Thank you, buddy. Oh, it's this one right here.
Bây giờ có bóng bê rồi tỏ ra cho bóng bỏ vào những cái gì vậy?
Cứ bỏ lên để đến để tỏi tôi ha, cứ chỉ là cho tỏi từ đây từ cứ đây có thể là cho tỏi chỉ là sát tiền á, chỉ có đã lò đồ bể nó chỉ cũng làm rồi nó nhon cái mà này bể nào thì nó chỉ mà để đồ bể.
Tao bây giờ cho nên mong con nào, tôi bỏ kiểu này, thì cho cái này chụp.